Hi, how are you? I'm Stan. I wanted to talk about nature, hiking in particular. I hike a lot. I like mountains. Yosemite Park is my favorite because there's a lot of mountains and I like very high trees, big trees. Also, I like birds. I have bird feeders and I get lots of birds that come to those bird feeders. Finches, finches, red finches, blue jays, and dark-eyed juncos. I also uh, went to Crater Lake, which uh, is beautiful, and I saw a bald eagle there. Bald eagles are beautiful birds. Uh, leave your comments below and tell me uh, what is your favorite hiking place. Leave a like or unlike, whatever.